tax is coming. Taxes are coming to Dubai. It's everywhere. Everybody talks about it. Actually, since 1 year already in the making. But now our phones, they don't stop anymore. Everybody's like, oh my God, corporate income tax is coming to Dubai from June. What should we do? Actually, it's not that dramatic, to be honest. Corporate income tax, yes, but not for everybody, not for all companies. I will give you like the key facts of the taxation for companies in the future. Officially, it will start from 1st of June 2023. A corporate income tax of 9% will be implemented for, and here we go, for mainland companies. So we have mainland companies. Mainland companies are companies with a special license to do business in mainland, so to do business with the local companies here. It's, for example, a hotel, any kind of tourism business that is working here. It could be a hospital, it could be transportation, whatever. So these kind of businesses, they will be applicable for a corporate income tax of 9%. Then we have the free zone companies. The free zone companies, and it's approximately 85% of all companies who are located in free zones. We have over 80 free zones. The free zone companies will be also applicable for corporate income tax, but there is specific ways to avoid it, or let's say there is specific businesses or business activities that are simply not taxed. So usually if I set up a free zone company, I do business only with in the free zone or with other free zone companies, or I do international business. These kind of businesses, they're still not taxed. They're still 0% taxed, and this will stay until 2071. So it's another almost 50 years. So there will be no tax. But to prove that we are a company who is not taxable, because we do only international business, we do only business within the free zones. For this, we need to do an accounting, and we need to prove that. So there's like a special name for it, and the name means qualified income. Qualified income is exactly what I told you. We need to identify within the accounting that the company is not doing business with any local companies or mainland companies. As soon as you would start to do business with mainland companies or locals, you would be applicable for 9% corporate tax, even if you would be a free zone company. And there's certain other rules. So we need to create substance for the free zone company. So it needs to be a company who has an office, who has a lease agreement, for example, so that we have substance. It cannot be a mailbox company or whatever. Otherwise, the rules would also apply for corporate income tax. Holding companies, the same, they don't pay any taxes. So income from outside through holding income, for example, is zero taxed. So more or less, it stays the same. We don't know where the future will go, but for sure the Emirates implemented this taxation system because they want to comply to international taxation rules. There is something in the making that's called the global minimum tax of 15%, where all the countries in the world should comply. I guess that the UAE say, okay, we don't want to be on any kind of blacklist for tax havens. We don't want to go into any kind of sanctions. We want to become the most famous business hub in the world and the most modern business hub in the world. And for this, we will comply to some kind of corporate income tax. Private income tax is still the same. There will be no private income tax. There is no changes in the making at the moment, or not foreseeable at all. So this will not change. It will remain the same as one of the few countries in the world, which is of course very, very convenient, because any kind of private income that I generate, salaries for example, they remain tax-free. If you want to be part of company incorporation in the UAE, if you want to set up your business here, feel free to contact us and go for our 30 minutes free of charge consultation. Just click the link below and get your online meeting or telephone call, and we will discuss your situation and get it done. Thank you very much.